Hi everyone! Today we will be learning about electricity and the power kit. When you think of electricity, what comes to mind? Probably lightning, television, or electronic vehicles. Electricity is a form of energy that we use every day. Many great scientists spent years studying electricity. Benjamin Franklin and his son William Franklin conducted the famous kite experiment that proved lightning and electricity are results of the same phenomenon. A professor from Leiden University in the Netherlands discovered the method of storing electricity. Later on, Bell invented the telephone, Edison invented the light bulb, and electricity gradually became an essential part of our lives. Although electricity is a convenient source of power in our lives, it can also be very dangerous. This is because of something called voltage. A battery is similar to a water tower, where water flows from higher to lower places. Electric currents act the same way, with higher voltage flowing to lower voltage. Why is electricity so dangerous though? The amount of voltage the human body can withstand is 36 volts. China's average household voltage is 220 volts, which is much greater than what the human body can tolerate. Therefore, we must be careful when using household electronics. Our Blueberry electrical building blocks voltage is on 3.3 volts, which is very safe to use. So what exactly is the power kit? It's a device that supplies electricity and provides energy for other kits. Don't forget to use your power kit when you're inventing and prototyping. Bye! See you next time!